decks are one of the top 10 topics that bring people to our website. Now we need a deck here to connect the family room to the patio. So Tommy, what's our deck going to look like?
Well, it's actually just a simple rectangle at the top. It's probably around 8.5 feet by 4.5 feet with a wide set of stairs that lead us down to the patio.
So it's not very big, but basically the principles of building this are the same as a large deck.
Exactly. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. One major thing that you always have to think about is water that comes off the roof migrating into the house above the top of the foundation. So what we want to do is flash this area first. Now the nice thing about this self-sealing membrane, it sticks to anything. Beautiful.
The next thing we'll do is install a joist hanger to pick up the rim joist on the end.
That's good, Norm. The next thing we want to install is the ledger.
All right, Tom, here's the rim joist for this end.
Right, now we're using a 2x12 for the rim joist to make life easier for Mark, our mason, when he stuccos the side. It's going to give him plenty of nailing for his wire lath.
All right, I'm just going to bring it up so that I'm just hitting that side of the bubble. That should be good right there, Tom.
Yeah, and I'll just screw this in, and we do want to pitch our deck down just a little so the water runs away from the house.
Now another joist hanger on the other end.
Good.
Perfect. Now we're going to set this one at the same pitch as we did on the other side.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to use a 2x12 across the front also, and that will give us plenty of nailing for the top of our stringers where they meet the deck. Now the posts that support our framing for our deck and also support our railing are going to be 4x4s. What we want to do is we want to notch out the posts 3/4 of an inch so we can inset our 2x12s, and that will carry the load. We won't need a hanger. All right. How you doing? All right? All right. Going in all right?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. All right. Let's check it. Ah, that's good. Now we're ready to set our 2x8 joists, and we're going to set them 16 on center. All we needed for joists here were 2x6s, but we want to beef it up and make it stronger. So we're using 2x8s.
So Tom, what are we going to use for decking?
We're going to use 1x4 epay.
Oh, I really like this wood. It's very hard, durable, and it doesn't take any maintenance.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you'd like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.